So in this video today, I'm going to be creating some gingerbread DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm starting out with one of these wood planks, and then we also have a gingerbread guy from the crafters section of the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're going to start out painting this with the chestnut color from Apple Barrel. So we're going to go ahead and start out giving this a coat, and I'll be right back with you. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And they will be listed below in the description box. So I'm going to be creating a stand-up decor piece because usually I do the wall decor, but today is going to be stand-up, and this is great for decorating in different areas of your home. Okay, so this DIY, I'm going to move over to the side. We're not done with it, but we have to let that paint dry. Now, this second one is a trash to treasure. So we're not going to throw that jar away, but what I am going to do is also paint it in that chestnut color. We're going to go ahead and do a beautiful DIY transformation, and I know you're going to love it, guys. So let's start out by painting this jar. So I did give this a couple of layers, okay, so we can cover that glass really well, and it is a matte finish. So now we move on over to the pieces that are dry. Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? I decided that I was going to go ahead and paint that bow tie and the cuffs. Even though I like it like that, we're going to put some color on it. So let's see. I think we're going to go with the red. so doesn't that look beautiful so far? Now you do know that we have to paint the plank that I'm using as the stand for this gingerbread guy, and I think that I'm going to edge off with some white paint. Okay, so I don't have the white puffy paint, but we're just gonna have to improvise, guys, with this white paint from Apple Barrel. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start stitching that all the way around. It's gonna look exactly the same, guys. You'll be amazed. See, now doesn't that look beautiful? I think it does. So you know these pieces need to dry, so let's move on over to working on that jar. Now the Dollar Tree has those white microfiber cloths, so all I'm doing is cutting a strip just enough to cover the top, and this will give us that border that we need, okay, before we continue. Now, isn't that looking amazing so far? I think going simple is going to be the best bet here. So I'm going to cut off the excess of the fiber cloth, and that's going to complete the jar. That's going to hold the florals. So I decided to grab some of the color foam balls that the Dollar Tree is carrying. I just wanted to cover something along the top there. So we're just going to use a few of the red ones. Okay, so now it's time to glue the gingerbread guy onto that little plank. So I think it looks cute, those little balls on top. I don't know, maybe a hat sideways. Who knows, guys? I thought it looked cute. Now gluing this down, basically I just used the hot glue, guys. So I used plenty of that, which you can't even tell. And look how pretty that looks. So now we're gonna finish off the jar and we are almost done and getting ready to head on over to the reveal. Now all I did was put some boxwood and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Here we are at the reveal. So I hope that you enjoyed this inspiration, these projects, gingerbread. And I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.